Hello dear students, our next topic, that is the 12.6, it is a specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. So what is the specific heat capacity, right? So before it, first we see heat capacity. It is denoted by S. Okay, so here let delta Q, that is what amount of heat transfer, due to that delta T, that is equal to change in टेम्परेचर, राइट. दैट मीन्स कि सपोज कोई भी एक रैंडमली बॉडी है, वी सप्लाई हीट, ओके, वी सप्लाई हीट, सपोज वी सप्लाई डेल्टा क्यू अमाउंट ऑफ हीट, ओके. सपोज टेम्परेचर टी है, after supplying heat the temperature become T plus delta T. So what is the delta T? That is the increase in the temperature. Why this temperature increase? So due to supply of heat, right? Then the heat capacity is defined as S is equal to delta Q by delta T. What is it? It is a S is equal to delta Q by delta T, right? Next one, that is specific heat. It is denoted by S, small s. So what is the specific heat? That is a small s, that is equal to capital S upon M. That is, you can say heat capacity per unit mass. What you can say? Heat capacity per unit mass is known as specific heat, is known as specific heat. Okay, so that is, you can say that small s, that is equal to 1 upon m into delta q by delta t. Okay, its unit, चलो, यूनिट ऑफ डेल्टा क्यू, दैट इज जूल पर के जी पर केल्विन. इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? दैट इज अ जूल पर केल्विन, राइट. और यू कैन से कैलोरी पर केल्विन. ओके, हियर यू कैन ऑल्सो से, और यू कैन से कैलोरी पर केजी पर Kelvin, right? It is a specific heat. Next one, that is a molar specific heat. What is it? You can say it is molar specific heat. It is denoted by C. तो जो specific heat हमने per unit mass लिया था, right? Now it is replaced by 1 mole. Then it is known as what? Molar specific heat, right? That means you can say that C is equal to S upon mu, that is equal to 1 upon mu into delta Q by delta T. What is the C? 1 upon mu into delta Q by delta T. Okay, what about its unit, friends? So delta Q का यूनिट होगा कैलोरी, म्यू दैट इज अ मोल, टेम्परेचर मतलब केल्विन, और जूल पर मोल पर केल्विन, राइट. दैट मीन्स हियर मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट, that is a heat capacity. S is what? S is a heat capacity. So heat capacity per unit mole is known as molar specific heat. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन कि थोड़ा ये टेक्निकल पॉइंट आ रहा है कि सपोज ऑसिलेटर है वन डायमेंशन में. सपोज हियर यू कैन से दैट ऑसिलेटर, इसका ही टॉपिक है. सपोज ऑसिलेटर इन वन डायमेंशन, राइट. दैट इज सपोज उसका जो वन डायमेंशन में है उसके लिए क्या होगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 1/2 kb into t. That is equal to what? kb into t. What is a kb? kb is a Boltzmann's constant, where kb that is equal to Boltzmann constant, right? It is for one dimension. Suppose it is a two dimension, then 2 kb into t, and it is suppose for three dimension, then what is the u? U is equal to 3 kb into t. Okay, what is it? 3 kb into t. Now for 1 mole of gas, total energy is given by u is equal to 3 kb into t. Okay, and what is the number of constituent particle in 1 mole of gas? Because here we consider 1 mole, so 1 mole gas में रहेंगे Na. What is Na? Na is the Avogadro number. Okay, so here you can say that kb into Na, so that you can say kb into Na, that is equal to r. R is what? Gas constant, right? So you can say that u is equal to 3 RT. Okay, now change in total energy, you can say delta u, that is equal to 3R into delta t. Therefore delta u by delta t, that is equal to 3R. What is it? Delta u by delta t, that is equal to 3R. Okay, it is also known as C. Next one, that is the relation between Cp and Cv. It is one of the very important question, that relation between Cp and Cv, or you have asked prove Cp minus Cv, that is equal to R. Okay, now see, according to first law of thermodynamics, according to first law of thermodynamics, what you can say? What is according to first law of thermodynamics? You can say delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. That is, you can say delta Q is equal to delta U plus P into delta V. You can say it is equation number star, right? Chalo. First we'll find for Cv. What is the Cv? That is a specific heat at a constant volume. What is it? Specific heat at constant volume, right? चलो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम है, that is here you can say volume is remain constant, that implies change in a volume that is equal to क्या हो जाएगा 0, therefore P into delta V that is equal to work done वो हो गया 0, right? That means our equation number star becomes delta Q is equal to delta U plus 0. Okay, therefore delta Q by delta T at a constant volume that is equal to CV, that is what delta U by delta T at a constant volume, that is what delta U by delta T, that is the CV. Okay, you can say it is equation number A. Okay, now Cp, that is a specific heat at a constant pressure. Cp, you can say it is a molar specific heat. Specific heat कहते हैं, that means now onward it is a molar specific heat. You can say okay, Cp, that is molar specific heat at constant pressure. Here you can say delta Q, that is the delta U plus P into delta V. Chalo, now Cp, that is delta Q by delta T at constant pressure, that is equal to delta U by delta T at a constant pressure plus P into delta V by delta T. Okay, you can say it is equation number 1. Okay, now see, for ideal gas PV is equal to RT, therefore P into delta V, that is the R into delta T, therefore P into delta V by delta T that is equal to R, right? तो ये जो वैल्यू है P into delta V delta T R, substitute in this equation. Okay, therefore you can say that Cp is equal to delta U by delta T plus R. You can say it is equation number B. Okay, ये equation number A. Now it is the equation number B. Now Cp minus Cv. What is the Cp? Cp is equal to delta U by delta T plus R. Delta U by delta T plus R minus Cv, that is the delta U by delta T. So these two get cancel. Therefore here we have relation Cp minus Cv, that is equal to R, right? It is the ideal gas equation. For ideal gas equation, Cp minus Cv, that is equal to R.